Here she
Big
comes.
reveal.
Look at Grace.
Go forward. Forward. Let's go see Mama. There we go. There we go, Mom. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. See you later.
Ready to go again.
Keep pushing, Dad. Toot toot. Toot toot. Here, put your feet on here, honey. I think it's actually too small for her, though. Put your feet on there. Can you tell? See, she can't get her feet back far enough. But she's a little too short to put her feet on the pedals. Just doesn't quite work.
She doesn't care.
Okay, here we go. Turn the wheel.
I love you.
Can you say bye-bye? Crusty hair? What's your hair? Just some crusties.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you later.